What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Let's look at how to download and install Lawrun kernel. By this method, you can also download any Lawrun based files like profiles, different version of kernels and more. Before getting started, if you are new here, sub to the channel would be really appreciated. To begin with, what you need to have is a unlocked bootloader, a custom recovery installed, Chrome browser, and finally the kernel files which we are going to download now. Before getting started, there is a disclaimer that be extremely careful while following these steps. Do not download or touch anything which you don't know what it is. Because to download this kernel, we need to get through many phishing sites, ads, pop-ups and more. If you don't want to take a chance, drop this video here. And who is ready? Let's start. As a first step, download and install 3x VPN from Play Store. No need to open it for now, but keep it installed in case. After, open your Chrome and take incognito mode as I am doing. Once you are in private window, in address bar just type Lawrun for Poco and hit search. From the result, you need to select the site named as https lawrun-kernel.blogspot.com. According to time, it can take some time to load or maybe will load quickly. After, select supported devices. From the new page, if you scroll down, you will find Xiaomi Poco F1. From the end of the line, select click here. You will get ad, select close. Now you can scroll down. You will see all the files related to latest Lawrun. I want to download 16.4 version since I have already used 17 series. So I am selecting show more now. You can see the kernel files there. Lawrun 16.4 Singapore. Selecting the name from here will take you to new page. From here onwards, I'm not telling you what to do. Just keep on watching the video and try to understand what need to be done. Because if you are selecting a multiple file to download or any other link from Lawrun page, the steps are going to be different. But the scenario is going to be the same. Only thing is that you need to understand what you need to download and what you need to select. You know that you can easily do it by your own self. So now the kernel is downloaded. Move the kernel to any place you want if it is not in downloaded folder. You can download any version of Lawrun by following this method. But keep in mind that ads and pop-up may increase or decrease accordingly. You need to figure it out the correct option and the correct path. So now let's install the kernel. I am using latest Ancient OS. Now let's reboot the phone into recovery. Once you are in recovery, select install and navigate into the kernel file. I kept it under download folder. Now select the kernel and flash it. Once flashing finishes, reboot your phone into system. Your step may vary according to what kind of recovery you are using. So please follow the steps according to your recovery. Now the phone is booted in. Let's quickly get into about phone session and check the kernel. As you see, the kernel is Lawrun 16.4 Singapore. I am not installing any kernel manager or profiles now. Hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, be safe and take care.